Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of tighten. Make or become tight or tighter. For example, tighten the bolts. American pronunciation. Tighten. Tighten. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Tighten. Say. Tighten. Tighten means make or become tight or tighter. Tighten. Tighten. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Matt tightens his arm around his girlfriend and glares at Brian stonily. Now, repeat after me. Matt tightens his arm around his girlfriend and glares at Brian stonily. The second practice. They'll be tightening the border control, if not slamming the borders completely shut. Now, repeat after me. They'll be tightening the border control, if not slamming the borders completely shut.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.